Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear wiper on a GMC Acadia. This easy method will save you time and effort. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition completely off. Knowing the two common attachment types for Acadia models will also be very helpful for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it clicks and stays in an upright position. Next, look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this release tab firmly, then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should come off with minimal resistance. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new wiper blade with the hook or J-slot on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into position. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. To complete the process, test your new wiper blade. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper function to ensure it operates smoothly. Verify that the blade makes full contact across the entire window and effectively clears away any moisture. For optimal visibility and safety, consider replacing your rear wiper blade every 6 to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.